If you've been watching this channel for a while, you probably know that I like testing different money-making apps, especially apps that let you earn rewards while playing games or completing simple tasks on your phone. So when I came across the Money Cash app, which already has millions of downloads across the App Store, it's really well rated, and Google Play, of course, well, I was just curious to see if it was actually worth trying. Because let's be honest, a lot of these earn money on your phone apps either take forever to pay out, or, well, they just aren't worth the time. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how the Money Cash app works, what kind of rewards you can earn, and what stood out to me after testing. I'll show you some games that I've played, and I'll also show you withdrawal process. But before we jump in, everything I'm sharing here is based on my own testing and my own research. Apps like this can vary depending on where you live and what kind of offers are available to you. So yeah, let's take a closer look. So at its core, this is the website, by the way. At its core, Money Cash is a rewards platform where you earn points by completing simple activities on your phone. And those points can be redeemed for different types of rewards, like PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards, Google Play or iTunes gift cards, Walmart and Target gift cards, Netflix or Spotify credits, and even Visa or MasterCard transfers to your bank account. So instead of just using your phone for entertainment, the idea is that you can earn rewards at the same time. The app is available in North America, Australia, and most of Europe as well. It's not allowed to use VPN, by the way. It's strictly prohibited, and it could get your account banned. So yeah, be wary of that. And what makes Money Cash interesting compared to many other similar apps is the variety of ways you can earn points. You're not just limited to surveys. You can play mobile games, you can watch videos, you can complete small tasks, you can test apps and products, and you can answer surveys as well. And that variety actually makes the experience feel less repetitive, which is something a lot of reward apps struggle with. So let's move over to the app. The first step is simply downloading the Money Cash app from either App Store or Google Play. You can use the QR code that is on the screen right now. And honestly, the setup process is pretty quick. Let's just head into it. So after installing the app here, you create your account and then you answer a few basic questions so the platform can match you with the tasks and offers that are relevant to you. And once you're inside the app, you're going to see this dashboard showing the different activities available. This can include games you can try, surveys you can answer, or other small tasks that reward you with points. And the layout is pretty straightforward, which I appreciated because some reward apps can feel a little bit cluttered. That's not what I like, honestly. But here, well, everything is organized into simple categories, so you can just quickly find something and go with that and try it out. Now, one of the things I liked about Money Cash is that it doesn't rely on just one type of activity. Some people prefer answering surveys. Others would rather play games. Some might prefer watching short videos or trying new apps. Money Cash includes multiple types of earning activities, which makes it easier to find something that fits what you actually enjoy doing. Be sure to do this. That's on the screen right now. Click on Allow Access, and then you're ready to go with it. So, for example, if you like mobile games, you can download and try different ones through the app, and then you earn points while you're doing it, while you're playing the game. Now, what is important is that downloading one game unlocks way more games for you to play. So keeping this in mind when you open the app for the first time. So for example, when you download this one here, it's just gonna lead you straight to the App Store so you can just get it. Of course, you know how to do this. And this will unlock way more games for you to play. Then you can just open the game and it's gonna run on its own. Now, if gaming isn't your thing, you can complete surveys or some small tasks instead. And since new activities are added regularly, well, the list of available tasks, well, they tend to rotate. This helps keeps things fresh instead of feeling like you're doing the same thing every day. So for example, I like this one, which is clean it, and I made a lot of money with it. The app is very well known for offering relatively higher payouts compared to many other apps in the same space, a lot of reward platforms, well, they pay very small amounts for similar activities, which can make it feel like your time isn't really worth it. With Money Cash, honestly, the rewards per task can be noticeably higher depending on the offer. And that is something that I really, really like to do. And the games are great to play, right? I love these. They're pretty good. And as I told you, the more you download, the more of these will come to you on the dashboard. And they're all connected to Money Cash app. Also, one feature that stood out to me is how quickly payouts can happen. With many reward apps, once you redeem your points, you might have to wait hours or even days to receive your reward. But with Money Cash, payouts can often arrive within seconds after you redeem them. That's pretty rare in the rewards app space, and definitely a nice touch. It makes the whole experience feel more immediate because you're not waiting around wondering when your reward will show up. And when it comes to redeeming your points, Money Cash gives you a lot of flexibility. Instead of being locked into just one reward type, you can choose from several options. You can see them on the screen. Some of the most popular rewards include PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, Google Play credits, Walmart, Target gift cards, iTunes gift cards, Netflix and Spotify rewards, Visa and MasterCard cash transfers. So having multiple reward options is helpful because everyone prefers different things. Some people want PayPal Cash while others might prefer gift cards for shopping or entertainment services. Money Cash lets you choose whichever reward works best for you. Now, it is important to keep expectations realistic. Apps like this aren't meant to replace a full-time job. Instead, they're just more like a casual side activity that lets you earn small rewards during your spare time. So I played a lot of games here. So one of these is the one that you see on the screen right now. It is Clean It. It's a pretty good game where you go around and you clean your room with this vacuum cleaner. It's a pretty good one. I spent a lot of time with this one, and honestly, it's pretty fun. And you can get really easy coins with this one as well. And the other one was a wool craze puzzle with yarn, which is really chill game. This is something that I use in my downtime. It's really good, really chill, and really relaxing game. So if that's your thing, I suggest you play this one. Both games were pretty easy to play with. And again, what is really, really nice with this is that you start earning immediately. Money Cash rewards you just for the time you spend playing here. I also played a few other puzzle games and one base builder game. And again, you unlock more games once you download the first one, which is actually pretty nice. You get more and more. And now this, when you go back to your dashboard, you can actually see that while I played, my coins increased. So if you click on your coins here, you can immediately withdraw the money this way. So is Money Cash legit and worth trying? Well, based on what I've seen, it's a straightforward rewards platform that lets you earn points by completing simple activities on your phone, and this is what I like. Now, this is not something that's gonna replace your main income, but if you enjoy trying new apps or playing games or completing surveys on your phone, it can be a fun way to earn small rewards in your spare time, and it's better that than using Instagram, whatever. If you want to check it out yourself, you can use the QR code that is on the screen right now, or you can just download the Money Cash app from the App Store or Google Play and explore the activities available in your region. And once again, VPN is not allowed. Stay away from it. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.